I am fortunate to be here with Jay Groenink of Groenink's Elevator in Michigan, in Nunica, Michigan here today, and he's going to show us his whole situation that he's developed here over all these years, how things flow in his plant, and out to his 4 Rollo-Mixers that he's been using for many years. So what a treat to be with you, Jay.
Thank you. Yeah, we've been in business just over 50 years. We've pretty well rebuilt everything here. And we have an orange conveyor here that takes it up to the mixer. And we'll show you the 2 Continental mixers. Right here in this corner is where I control the whole mill, all the mixers, all the augers. And you can see 3 scale heads right there. And we have electronic distributor for the main leg. And you're seeing the old Mark IV mixer.
In 1965.
1965.
Yeah.
We bought it in 1976. In 1986, we hauled it back to Continental in Wisconsin. We had them go through it, rebuild it, and in the summer or fall of 86, we installed it, and it's been running practically every day since.
That's excellent.
It's been a great mixer. I love the 4-ton roller mixer. Then when we moved it into the new part here, we bought another Continental. This was a used mixer, a 1995 Mark VI 3.5-ton mixer. We bought it from Continental there in Wisconsin. We installed it last year in 2024. We started using it July 31 of 24. I run all my molasses feeds through the new one now. I keep the old one mostly for dry feeds like scratch feed and different things like that, bird seed. And both of these mixers can go to 1 bagger unit. And about 8 months ago, I put 3 ton of feed in the old Continental mixer with molasses. I put 3 ton of beef feed in the new mixer with molasses, and I had 3 ton in the bin outside the tall part here. And I also had 5 ton of layer mash in the bagging bin and 2.5 ton of layer mash in the mixer ready to go. I had my wife come in on a Friday at noon, and at 6 o'clock, me and my wife, we had 20 ton bagged on skids through the robot. And in between there, she kept bagging, and I made another 3.5 ton of feed.
Spectacular.
And that was 800 bags in 6 hours. Pretty soon we'll start up the robot, and we'll film that and show you how nice the job.
Sure.
Right here is a skid, went through the robot, a ton of horse feed. And next to it was a special feed I had to make. I had to put it in a little bigger bag. The robot, I don't have it programmed for this. I hand stacked that.
Yeah.
And I can't hand stack as good as what the robot can do.
It's pretty close.
And we also, when it goes through the robot, we have a glue machine, and it lays 2 layers of glue on the bag. And so when the robot picks it up, stacks it on the skid, this bag stays right there.
Very sharp.
And it's nice for moving. But when we ship it out on a customer's truck, we still do shrink wrap it.
Boy, it looks so nice, Jay.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I really love these bags that you designed here. This is neat for deer
these
hunting.
camouflage bags, I had them custom made probably 25 years ago. We put our shell corn in there. We clean it all. We put apple flavoring on it. And then one year, probably almost 20 years ago, we sold 40,000 bags in 1 year's time.
Nice
when
work.
Deer baiting was really big.
Boy, it's you do bird seed at all in the
Yeah,
Rollo?
we do bird seed through the roller mixers too. I make 2 different kind of bird seeds. And what I do is I flush the whole system with scratch feed before I make the bird seed. And I get bird seed in totes, oil sunflower seed, millet, and milo. And I have separate bins for them, and it is absolutely clean as can be. And we use a fair amount of soybean oil, and I put even a cherry flavoring on it. And it is amazing, just beautiful bird seed.
The Rollo-Mixer makes bird seed as well as any machine
Yeah, absolutely. The first bag, nice thing about a Continental Rollo-Mixer is the first bag and the last bag, you can't tell them apart.
Beautiful.
That's how
That's
good
right.
they are.
That's the hallmark.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks, Jay.
Yes.
It's so cool. We have birdseed, just strictly birdseed customers, and we've been told by them that the Rollo-Mixer is the best birdseed mixer in the world. That's what he told us. And he makes a lot of different birdseed products. So that's great. You can mix that up and do that as well.
Yes. 42 gallons of molasses in 3 ton of beef feed. I had this door above the motor there. That's a blender for the molasses. And I had the door open. I shut off the valve and turned off the pump. And now I'm going to pull the door shut. And then I open the other door and allows the feed to go into the mixer and blend it all together. Get the robot ready to go, and it takes about 15 to 20 minutes. And when I start bagging, the first bag and the last bag look exactly the same.
It's beautiful, Jay. How much do we have in there?
I got 3 ton of beef feed in this mixer, new mixer right now.
All right, bag out here.
See how much molasses there is on this feed.
Excellent.
There's 14 gallons per ton. Wow. So it's about 160 pounds of molasses per ton.
Looks excellent.
Yeah.
You get good comments from your customers on your feed?
Oh yeah.
I bet.
Yeah, the thing is about the feed, you know, I got a farmer that's got brood cows, about 40 to 50 Black Angus brood cows, and he says he throws the feed out there, and he says when they're done eating, there's no waste, absolutely no waste. So the trough is spotless.
That's so cool.
They lick it clean.
Yeah.
We built our reputation on quality stuff.
Right.
And quality sells itself.
It does.
And,
65 last year.
as you can see from the top view of the robot, there's a kicker right here, just kicking the bag right now, and then it will go through the flattener. And then once it's through the flattener, it goes up and it goes across the glue machine. And when the bag hits the rollers, it picks it up, and then air shoots a little bit of glue on the rollers. And so when you stack it on the skid, it keeps the bag there. And it works really nice moving your product around and keeps them nice and square. When I work it by myself, I can do about 40 bags in about 13 to 14 minutes. But the nice thing is you're not picking them up. There's more or less 6 different textured feeds.
Yep.
We got a horse growth, horse senior. We got a select with no corn in it. We got 3 horse feeds with corn and 3
select,
without.
Yeah. You get no fines in here.
No fines.
It's beautiful stuff.
Yes.
That's what kind of feed, Jay?
Scratch feed.
Scratch
for
feed,
chickens, laying chickens.
That's a
mostly.
great product.
Yeah.
Then you got here.
That
what we
is
were
all
making.
calf feeds.
Okay.
We got 3 kinds of calf feeds.
All made in the Rollo?
Yep, all made in the roller. Yeah, this is our fertilizer building. I have my hired man Rich here bagging fertilizer right now. It's coming out of the roller mixer. When it comes out of the roller mixer, it goes across the screener and it goes up into this hopper above us. And it has baffles in the bin so that it doesn't separate the urea from the other potash. Urea is always round like marbles and it separates. It's unloading the mixer.
Okay.
And it's going through the screener, and then it goes onto this hopper up to the bin above the bagger.
Gotcha.
Yeah, this is what fills the mixers right here.
I see.
And we just slide it from one mixer to the other.
Coming and going. Okay. Yeah.
He's just using the one mixer right now. And this is all in-floor heat. So it's always dry in here.
Yep.
You know, they've been in here 12 years. There's not a bit of rust on them.
That's true.
Yeah.
You get great consistent product and great blends and results.
Yeah.
It's tremendous. See it
This
start shaking
is
in.
the older mixer. That's the newer one.
Okay. See if I can go over and check that one out.
Yeah. Well, the conveyor will start up in a second again. Two guys out here this past winter, they did deicer products. 12 hours, they did 100 ton through one mixer.
Spectacular.
Yes.
And you do deicer in the winter, right, Jay?
Yeah, deicer products.
We
Yeah.
have a lot of customers doing that seasonally.
Yeah.
Fertilizer, deicer.
Yeah.
Because we live up here where it gets icy.
Yeah. Well, you might as well make use of your system.
Very much so.
Keeps your guy busy.
And you got a machine that makes the best de-icing stuff on the planet, too. We get a lot of people doing that. So we're about to
Well,
discharge
the
here,
mixer
Jay?
must be empty.
Okay.
You can see how fast he's bagging. He can do probably close to 24 bags a minute, somewhere in there. The robot over there can stack about a bag every 2 seconds. You can see it operating, how fast it is going.